Cough. It is a reflex act of forceful expiration against a closed glottis that helps in cleaning the airways, including foreign bodies. Cough is commonly seen in many medical conditions. Mechanism of cough. It is brought about by contraction of respiratory muscles against the closed glottis, with a resultant increase in intrathoracic pressure followed by opening of the glottis with expiration at very high airflow rate in the upper airways. Types of cough. Number 1. Dry cough. Number 2. Productive cough. Number 3. Short cough. Number 4. Bracy cough. Number 5. Bovine cough. Number 6. Prolonged and paroxysmal cough. Number 7. Walking cough. Number 8. Drug-induced cough. Cough syncope. It is due to raised intrathoracic pressure which reduces venous return to the heart, thereby diminishing cardiac output, resulting in cerebral hypoperfusion and syncope. It is commonly in COPD and asthma. For more such videos, subscribe Sipak Media.